Hey everybody, I want to take you on a quick tour of the Into the Darkroom photography website platform. And I'm going to show you how we build pages and how we manage our content. And the idea behind this new platform is that we've created content sections. They're already pre-designed content sections. And this is a content section where we have an image, title, text, and you can add a button. This is another type of content section. Here's another type of content section. And basically you can grab them, put them in any order you want, mix and match them on different pages, and just build your site out accordingly. So I want to show you the back end and how this works. And so if we were to go into the back end and we were to build a brand new page from scratch, we can go ahead and click Create New Page. We can title it. So I'm just going to title this Test. I'm going to click Create Page. And let's say I wanted to create a section just like this, where we have an image and a title and text. I can come in now and I can, since I have my page created, I can add a content section. So when I click Add New Content Block, I have all these options to choose from. And the option that we want is a hero image. So I'm going to go ahead and title this About Me Hero, so I know what it is. And I'm going to choose the hero image, and I'm going to go ahead and click Create Page Block. So now I have that section added to that page. I'm going to edit it and add some text and images to it. So I'm going to create this entry that says About Me. I'm going to go ahead and give this a title. So this is a title. And I'm going to go ahead and give it some text. And then when I'm done, I can go ahead and put a button in here. And I can add a URL. And then I can go ahead and click Create Entry. And now you'll see when I go back to my page, I have this here and it's all filled out. And if I wanted to add another section, I can go ahead and click Add New Content Block. And let's say I wanted a big image at the top. I can go ahead and say big image and text. Maybe I want some text over it. And I'll choose this page block content type. And I'll add that. I'll go ahead and, since it's here now, I'll go ahead and edit it and add my text and images. So header, image, and text. And I can play around with things like color opacity so that my text falls on the background nicely. I can upload a background image. I'll choose this building. And I'll go ahead and I'll add a title. Add some text in here and click Create Entry. And when I go back to my page, I have these two content sections and I can reorganize them in any order I want. I can come in here and edit them, and maybe I forgot to add an image to this entry, so I want to go ahead and upload a new image and pick the picture of my bio picture and click Save. So I can just come in here and keep editing them. And when I'm ready to view this page, I can click Preview. And it's going to show me this page with my building, my title, my text. And you can see that I have my hero image with my title, text, and button. And so I can come in here and build a page out from scratch. And you can mix and match and play around with all these different content sections. But what we wanted to do is make it really easy. So what we started doing was creating layouts that already have these content types in them. So if you come in and you're looking through our site and you see a layout that you like this long scroll, or maybe this masonry look, or maybe you like this look, and you want to edit, you want to just start with one of these sites, one of these layouts, and just edit the content, what you can do is you can come into the back end, and you can go into the layouts, check out all of our layouts, and you can install one of these layouts. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you all the exact content that's in the demo, and then all you have to do is swap out the images and text. So if we were to start with something like this, like if we like this long scroll layout that we created, we can go ahead and add that, and when we go into the back end, the pages are going to look like this, where you see just this home page, and it has all of this content. Everything's linked up, everything has text in it, everything has images. And so if we wanted to edit this specifically, we just come in here, we find the About section, which is the second section in here, we click edit, and all we have to do is swap out the image, the title, and the text, and then save it. And so you can start with one of our layouts and just start swapping out images and text and get done really quick. In addition to that, if you want to change how this specific navigation on this site works, like maybe you like a navigation from another layout, it's all the same system. We built all the layouts that you see with the exact same system. So I can come into the design area and I could go to the header and I can change the navigation type. So you can use the layout as a starting point. And if you like it exactly how it is, just swap everything out and you'll be done really quick. Or you can start modifying it. So you could use the layout, swap out the images, and then start modifying the navigation and things like that to fit your needs. Or you can start from scratch and just build the site from scratch the way you want it. And so what we've done is we've created a system that has all these pre-designed content sections so that you can get in really quickly and not worry about design. You just pick your content type, stick them on the page, create as many pages as you need, add as many content types as you need, and just know that it's going to work on desktop and mobile. And you're not going to be a web designer, and you're not going to need to know how to code to shift and move away or modify any of the layouts that we did. And we've created these layouts just to be simple enough for you to get in there and get the site done really quick. And so the idea is that you come in, you either build from scratch, you use one of our layouts as is, or you use one of our layouts and you modify it. And it's really easy to do.